Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. This video will be all about Fetch.AI, which is a project that I have covered quite extensively in the past. However, we're now going to revisit Fetch. If this is your first time hearing about Fetch, simply put, Fetch is bringing powerful artificial intelligence automation to blockchains in which users and businesses will gain greater control over existing structures and their connection in the Metaverse. So I'll be covering everything including Fetch's use cases, as well as its updates and partnerships, as well as the technical analysis and my price prediction in this video. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end. And if you are new to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash the subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And let the gains be with you. So to start off this video, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap. At this current moment in time, we have a total market cap of $2.27 trillion. Bitcoin is trading at $46,687, and ETH is trading at $3,524. So the market has picked up, and we can also take a look at the cryptocurrency fear and greed index and see that currently we are at a 53, which is right in the middle. We are now neutral, whereas you can see last month we had extreme fear in the market. So all we need is a few green candles and everybody comes running back to cryptocurrency. That is all it does take. This market does move very quickly. So if you did stick with crypto through that 2-3 month consolidation correction we did just experience, congratulations, we are now up quite a bit, and I do believe we will have more upside in the future. But with that being said, this video is not financial advice by any means. This is for educational purposes only. Now looking at Fetch.AI, we can see it's currently trading for 48 cents with a market cap of $331 million, putting it at rank number 221 in the overall market cap. Now when it comes to FET tokens in circulation, there are currently 688 million out of 1.152 billion. So over half of the tokens are in circulation right now, and the rest will be released on an ongoing basis. Now when it comes to the history of the FET token and how high it has gone in the past, it does have an all-time high of $1.17. That is currently down 58%. The current price is down 58% from that all-time high. So it does have quite a bit to run to even go ahead and test that all-time high. And I do believe that $1.17 is quite minuscule compared to the potential of the FET token. Why, you may ask? Why am I bullish on FET? Well, let's get into my reasoning right now. So if we hop over to the Fetch.AI website, this website was rebranded from the last time that we have looked at it. So they are developing, they are building, they are making it more user-friendly, more understandable for the average person to understand and comprehend what Fetch.AI actually is, because it is a complex cryptocurrency with a lot of different moving parts. So Fetch is built on the Cosmos software development kit, meaning that it is in the Cosmos ecosystem. It does use the CW20 token standard, that is the CosmWasm token standard. And you can stake your FET for up to 13% APY rewards. You can see right here, become a delegator. They do have a complete staking guide right here on the website. So if you want to stake your FET tokens, I will leave this link down in the description below. And if you want a full video guide from me on how to stake your FET, I will be happy to provide that for you, but I need to see this video with at least 150 likes, and I need to see your comment down below asking for that staking tutorial. Nonetheless, there is a complete staking guide right here on the website. Now, Fetch has went ahead and organized its use cases for the FET token and the actual crypto protocol for individuals, business, and developers. So if we go ahead right now and take a look at what FET will be used for in terms of individuals, we can go ahead and take a look at that right now. So hack your life with your personal digital twin. What is a digital twin, you may ask? Well, simply put, it's a robot that learns everything about you so it can make decisions on your behalf. That's pretty much what a digital twin is. We can read right here. Digitize yourself, your business, and your assets to better your life. Claim your personal twin today and start teaching it how to be you to bring yourself freedom. Remember, this is all about artificial intelligence automation. It wants to make your everyday life easier. Let's go ahead and read further. What is your digital twin? Your digital twin is your personal agent that works to make your life better. Your agent learns from you and your close relationships to automate your decision making and routine tasks. It's going to make your life simpler to free up your time and increase your returns in ways such as home services. So let's say you need some kind of handyman, a plumber, electrician, whatever it may be, some kind of tradie out there. So you can have your digital twin reach out to whatever subcontractor that you do need on your behalf so that you can get that home service problem solved very easily. Also, another use case, premium parking, right? So your twin can even find you exclusive parking downtown near your next destination, and you can go ahead and join the wait list to get access to your digital twin, as well as task automation. As an entrepreneur, it's super important that you automate your tasks. So we can see right here, stop worrying about day-to-day errands like what's for dinner. Your twin can learn your diet, what you like to eat, and what your friends are having to coordinate your meals. So yes, some people may think that this may be a little bit creepy, an invasion of privacy. However, understand that artificial intelligence is going to completely take over the current world that we do live in. Everything will be AI. So either get with it or you're going to be swimming against the tide, against the current. And in life, remember, the path of least resistance will take you where you need to go. So don't resist, just embrace it and maximize it to your fullest potential. Also, some more individual use cases, a personal protector. So your digital twin serves you. It exists to make your life better, not to sell you the highest bidder and create more noise for you to deal with. We can see here that your digital twin runs on the Fetch.AI network, which is a decentralized metaverse that uses advanced techniques to ensure you maintain ownership of your data and that you control what is shared and with who. And also, it's built completely for you. So you define what your objectives are, and your twin works day and night to help you get them quicker. There is no man behind the curtain pulling your strings. And it learns from you. It learns exactly who you are, what you like, what you want to accomplish, what your goals are. It's going to know everything about you to make your life easier. And we can also read a little bit about the Metaverse and the digital twin. So if you didn't already know what the Metaverse is, let's read Fetch's definition here. The Metaverse is a digital representation of real-world things such as people, services, and objectives. Each of these are represented by an intelligent digital twin which runs on a fabric that interconnects them and enables them to find and interact directly with other twins without a middleman. This allows twins to plug into an ever-growing network of systems and services to better help you. All right, you can see right here, you can join the wait list to get on the wait list for your own personal digital twin if you are interested in that. So a lot going on for your personal life in terms of Fetch.AI. Now let's hop on over to what it will be used for business. So they want to simplify the gig economy for entrepreneurs. It's going to eliminate the middleman by hiring your digital twin. Be your boss and eliminate your reliance on agencies. Your digital twin automates the tasks traditionally completed by middlemen. Establish your business's metaverse sales agent and start winning real-world contracts by configuring your business digital twin today. So long story short, it's going to do the dirty work for you when it comes to business. What is the dirty work? Advertisements, lead generation, sales, setting up your contracts, scheduling meetings, scheduling events, collecting payments, solving tasks, processing payments. It's going to handle all of the different business tasks that are necessary to run a successful business. The main two, of course, are finding leads and converting sales, of course, in terms of a business. That's all it is. So Fetch.AI is going to help you do that. Also, you can see with the gig economy, delivery. So you're going to be able to have it deliver groceries, packages, and meals without any overhead fees. And your digital twin learns from your activity to help plan better routes, increase access to customers, and make you more money. And then parking as well, we talked about they can find a parking spot anywhere in the city or wherever you are ahead of time, so you no longer have to drive around a block in circles hoping that somebody pulls out so that you can pull into their parking spot during a busy time of day. So again, it wants to make your life easier. And then services as well. So music, cleaning, electrical, plumbing, whatever the service you provide, your digital agent will help you find new customers who want you. And this, of course, is going to increase your freedom so that you have more time to focus on what matters, what is going to move the needle forward in your business. And it's also going to simplify customer engagement. Your digital twin connects with your customers, takes their requests, negotiates for you, organizes the contract, takes payment, and will let you know about feedback your customer provided. So crazy stuff here that we're reading, but this is what Fetch.AI is building, and this is why I do hold the FET token in my own portfolio. I do think it has long-term potential. This is not some kind of quick flip investment here for me in the cryptocurrency market. This is a long-term hold because I do think it will be here for decades to come. not financial advice. Also, for developers, I'm not personally a developer, but if you are a developer, it's going to help you out in your day-to-day tasks. We can read right here, the Fetch ecosystem has 4 main building blocks: markets, digital twins, intelligence, and abilities. They provide frameworks and systems to make it easy to deploy new ideas into the metaverse. So if you are a developer, I encourage you to go ahead and check this out. Now let's get into the ecosystem that Fetch is building, because remember, this is a layer 1 blockchain built with the Cosmos software development kit. So yes, it is on the internet of blockchains, but it is its own sovereign chain. So let's go ahead and take a look at the ecosystem. Right now they have Metalix, which is a commodities decentralized exchange, accessible 24/7 with tight trading spreads. Also Atomics. So Atomics enables stablecoin holders to supply liquidity and receive a yearly yield composed of protocol generated returns and ATMX token rewards. That yield is highly competitive compared to returns delivered by other DeFi protocols and traditional alternatives. Also there is Mobix. So Mobix incentivizes the micro-mobility ecosystem with an incentive scheme for sustainable urban mobility. Whether you use or provide micro-mobility services or offer infrastructure, with Mobix you can earn rewards or incentivize usage of your services. And also Katina X, we covered Katina X in the last Fetch video. It is automotive. So Fetch.AI is part of the Katina X automotive network, which aims to create an open ecosystem for efficient and secure exchange of information throughout the automotive value chain. The cloud-based network is to be open to all companies in the European vehicle industry, along with their global partners, users, and equipment suppliers. And then collective learning as well. So it's going to continue to learn, continue to find better solutions, better ways to do things in terms of many different areas in the world. Agent framework. So autonomous economic agents can also be used to transform existing manufacturing systems, reducing challenges associated with conventional centralized manufacturing processes. They are developing a decentralized manufacturing marketplace with Festo using the multi-agent based architecture and of course the Fetch.AI technology stack. So you can go ahead and stake your Fetch tokens also, earning up to 13%, and there is an unbonding period of 21 days. So remember, if you stake your tokens, it's going to take 21 days to unstake your FET to have them liquid again. And you can go ahead and use the Cosmos Station wallet to go ahead and stake, and their official staking guide is right here if you're interested in that. Now in terms of partnerships, recently FET did announce a partnership with West Ham United. We can go ahead and read right here that the partnership was announced with West Ham United as the club's first exclusive official artificial intelligence partner. The partnership also extends to Fetch.AI, designated as official global partner of West Ham United, non-exclusive, and official partner of West Ham United Women's Football Club as well, non-exclusive. All right, so that's some big news right there. That is good for exposure and publicity. Now we have covered what Fetch is, what its use case is. It's going to learn everything about you and help you out in your everyday life. Sounds great, right? Well, if you do think so, you're probably interested in the token price. So let's get into that right now by hopping right into the charts. Now we do have a green candle breaking out right now on Fetch.AI, which is great, right? I love to see that. And you can see that Fetch did have a big pullback, big correction, I should say, from its all-time high over here at $1.19. It did retrace all the way back down to 22 cents. Right, that was almost an 81% correction. Now from here, it did base very nicely, and right over here around 34, 33 cents is when I really started to load up on my FET again. As you can see right here in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord, I did post this on March 18th. We can read right here about FET. Prices forming a symmetrical pennant after breaking this downtrend line going back to the November 2021 highs. I bought more FET right there to add to my stack. The volume was decreasing. It was very low, which, as I said right here, typically does lead to a breakout. And we bought it right here, or I bought it right here at 33 cents. And that was right around here. So to current price, it is up quite nicely, about 62%. If you want to catch the next call, I am very active in my premium Discord group. I take it very seriously. You can find out more information by visiting my website. There is a link down in the description below. It will tell you everything that you do need to know about my premium Discord group. You can only join through the official Crypto Empire website. I will never message you first about anything, all right? So check out the link down below. to get access to the group. Now, I was expecting another breakout here. As you can see, price was forming a very nice ascending pennant with this horizontal resistance line right at 50 cents. I did actually call this trade, as you can go ahead and see right here in the Discord group. This was posted just a few hours ago. Entry at 49 cents. So it is breaking out right now exactly as predicted. Now, why did I want to go long FET here? Well, we can look to the left. And the main line was really 43 cents, as you can see with my red arrows. This was a magnet for price many times, used as support and resistance repeatedly. So that is a line of control, and more recently it was used as support down here, and then resistance when price did go all the way back down to 22 cents. So when it started to break above that 44, 43 cent line, that's when I really knew this thing was going to start to most likely recover a lot of lost ground, and that's exactly what it is doing right now. Now, the first place that I'm looking to take profit on this trade is going to be around 60 cents. That is an obvious area of liquidity right here on the chart. A lot of wicks in the area. That is also very close to the previous range low. And this range low was from the cup and handle that was forming back in August, September, October of 2021. It ended up breaking down instead of breaking up. However, price is now recovering back into this range, and the range high is going to be around 88 cents. So I do think it is possible to see price back into the range from 66 to 88 cents within the month of April. Now, I do think FET will eventually start to make new all-time highs. We'll cover that in just 1 second. However, if we do see a pullback down to the 49 cent level or the 43 cent level, not financial advice, but I think those are pretty good buying areas, especially for the long term. I think 40 cents, 50 cents is dirt cheap for this token if we're looking 5-10 years down the line. I do think it will be relevant in 5-10 years, but we can also pull a Fibonacci extension from the all-time high down to the swing low it created at 22 cents, and we do get some extension levels on the chart. Our first extension level is the 0.27. That's going to come into play at $1.46. Then we have the 0.618. That's at $1.80. And then the 1.618 will be at $2.77. And you can see I do have lines all the way up to over $5. Right here, the 4.236 is going to come into play at $5.33. Now, I do think $5 is a reasonable number for FET for a blow-off top type of scenario. And why I say $5 is if I compare the market cap to where it needs to go to reach $5, it would need a $3.5 billion market cap to reach $5.02. That would put it in the current ranking at rank number 47 in market cap. However, remember that the rising tide does raise all ships. Okay, so when Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes up, all the other altcoins do rise as well. So of course, this would calibrate itself. All the other coins would calibrate themselves. However, in the current market cap for FET to reach $5, it would need a $3.5 billion market cap. And that would be a gain of 940%. So I do think $5 is a reasonable number here in, say, 2022, 2023. For the longer term, I do think it's possible that we see much higher valuations for the FET token. But we need to take it one step at a time. And I think $5 is a relatively reasonable number for the time being. In this video, I covered what Fetch.AI is, as well as its use cases in regards to digital twins. So if you are interested in having your own digital twin, you can sign up for their waitlist. It's a very interesting concept, and I'm interested to see how it does become adopted and how it will deliver, if they do deliver on their promise, to automate people's lives and make people's lives easier, as well as running a business easier, and for developers as well. So a lot is going for FET. This has an extremely strong team, a very competent CEO, and whole entire developer crew. Very strong team. I am very bullish on FET. I do hold it in my own portfolio. I want to hear from you now. What do you think about Fetch.AI? Let me know in the comments section down below. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure you let me know by leaving a like. And if you're new to Crypto Empire and you are not already subscribed, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.